Mga latecomers, please na lang do the attendance after na lang sa itong meeting. Okay? So, as of for this moment, only 4 responses na lang. So, please mute your mic. We will now start our topic for today. So, before proceeding, any problems, concerns regarding with the activities that I give you and all my instructions, nakuha aratanan, please give me comments or your views or opinion. Yes, recognize or nice. Na there is a comment. A comment ako usog po. Sige, you just have the attendance right after our meeting. Okay. So, wala question sa activity for the the variables in C++. Wala mo na ito ay problema. How about sa activity sa introduction to katong review number 2, introduction syntax of Java and C++, or kato pong activity or video number 1 katong sa IPO model. So wala ni questions, can I proceed? My what I call it, my plan is to step by step teach you with C++ and also with Java. But for this moment, I will continue with C++. Then after these topics that I will discuss it to you today, we will go back to Java. The same what topic that I give you from pre-recorded video until the live session, then I will be also recording it too for Java, because for every session may probably we will concentrate with a particular programming language. Kay kung ako siyang i-swap for every session, murag malibog niya mo ba and ma-confuse mo. So for this moment, we will continue with the C++ series, then mag-record ako for Java. Okay? So we learn how to declare variables and where to use variables in C++. So nakuha na to no, data types, assignment operators, arithmetic operators. So ubay-ubay atong na-cover on that topic. So may I request everyone that can able to open your camera to open your camera so I can see you. Kasi natulog na mo diyan, nagayang-hayang na mo. No? Okay. Very good. Naman lagi. Si Lado, asa man ka Lado? Gikan, asa man day karon? Nakasigawas? Wala gaulan? Very good. Sige. Very good kay hangin. Nice kayo. So, now, going back to the data type, have you questioned yourself why string is not included? Diba? We have basic or primitive data types natay char, int, float, double, okay, boolean. Okay, why is it na ang C++ wala gi-include ang string? So the topic for today is all about string and also with input. Kana lang ako ang i-discuss ninyo for this meeting para mahuman ako na series. I will create the same topics that I give to you for C++ to Java. Okay? So karon, why we don't have string for the basic data type? Okay, string is a special data type, advanced na data type in both languages in C++ and Java. So in order to use string, you need to include it with your program. You are going to include the library for the string. So in order to use the string, we have to load the library itself. So that is why for the basic primitive, basic programming, string is not included for the basic data type. So so I will show you how you are going to use string and when to use string, what is the importance of string. Okay, kay kabalo na mo sa basic data type like integer, double, float, char, and boolean. Those are basic data types. But ang string is very important also. So I will share to you my screen so you can see my presentation. Okay, can you see it now or wala pa? Wala pa loading pa. Wala pa. Okay. Ah, karon wala pa Japon? Okay. Okay. Very good. Can you mute your mic, ha? Okay. So I already opened the code blocks for us. So I will create a new project. Di makita. Na-screen dia na present now, presenting. Double click na ninyo. Ayaw kung now, do man ako kung may under my name na ay presenting and then nahapod siya ay ako ang naong hmm? Karon kanang kanang na name na ako na presenting. You double tap it para maklaro ninyo. Okay, nakita na ninyo yung akong screen. So, okay. So, I am now creating our console. Palihog lang ko og mute kay mo feedback. Mo feedback gid siya na. I can hear my voice. Okay, kana good. Thank you. So, I will create a console application and I will choose C++ and I will name it to string exercises. Click next. Okay, click finish. Okay. So, feedback for the screen. Can you see clearly the codes? Okay, very good. Okay, so in order to use the string, first we have to identify what is a string variable or string data. So string data is like hello world. It is considered as a string. Okay, there is a character with white space or space, and we have special characters. You can also have numbers from 0 to 9. Any special characters found in the keyboard can be included on the string data type. And what is special about string, you can identify it clearly by just looking the two quotation. If you can see two quotation, two enclosed quotation, that is directly can determine that that is a string. Okay, so this is a string, but we output it on our program. We do not include. We do not. store it, but we directly output it. So our task is to store the string variable and to a string data to a variable. So that is our task for today. And we will going to use another library for that. That is for the string. Okay, so to do that, since that is a library, we will include it in our program. Okay, we will include another library and that we call it string. So this is the library that we are going to use in order to use this command string name. Capital letter S, that is the the declaration of the string data type. So you cannot use string here if you will not include the string library. Okay, so we are declaring name. So every data that we are going to store on the name will be a string. Okay, so for example, we can have name is equal to Jose Rizal. Okay, and then we will try to output Jose Rizal. We'll just output it, right? So we declare a variable, and that variable is a string. We assign a value of a string, and then we output it, the string variable name. So when we run it, okay, sorry, small letter S lang pala. Not I am used with Java. Because in C++, it's only small letter S. So when we run, why there is a problem? Because we forgot to put semicolon on line number 10. So we will try it again. And so now we have now the output result. Someone is calling. What is your problem? Sa ENL. Okay. That is end line. So the purpose for this one is to end the the statement. Okay, so you end it in a line. You output, right? You output, this is LC out. You output something. So end meaning the next line should end in this one. So kaning line number 12, it output with one line. So this C out will output one line. So end L, one L, end L. So as you can see, when you output it, di ba natay, press return zero, blah blah blah. So meaning you output with one line man in there, one row in your console. So if we change it to end only, you see the difference when I run it. Okay, dili siya print line pa sa C++. Wala end. So if wala siya, like wala gid siya. As you can see, the process here will have a closed row na sunod sa direkta sa kung sa result atong gi-output. So, ang NL is only katong white space dere. And L is just the white space kani. Muna siya sa end L. Mara na gamit ni end L. So sometimes pwede na siya wala, sometimes naa. It depends on your way of outputting the data. Pwede ra wala, pwede na. Or wala ako na discuss ninyo last time. So any question? Kung dili ka ganahan og NL, pwede ra po nimo slash n. This is the notation. Okay. Meaning next line. It is also the same with NL. Nakanindot man gud ani na slash n. It is because when I will move two lines, so duha ka slash n. So as you can see, moduha yang space. So unlimited na siya. If you want to add more, then it will add more lines. Mas save siya space compared to put NL, yung separator na put NL, too much codes. Sometimes, I use this one to minimize the syntax that I've used in my program. So, whoever question the NL, thank you for questioning so that your classmate also have the idea. Did I answer it or satisfy you? So, napakailaing question. Wala na laing question? Hello? Are you there? Okay. Okay, nakuha ra. Okay, so going back to the string, without this library, when you run it, okay, you can still use the string, but okay, okay. You can still use the string, but the we call it the best practice in C++ is to you will add the string library sa imong kuan sa imong mga library we're going to include. Sometimes it works, but in the if the program will be have complex one, sometimes malibog na siya na there is a string included with the program. So the best practice is to include the string here. Sometimes ma-forgot na ninyo to include that one, especially kung dali na. So the best practice is to include first before using the string. Okay? So now some of the problems that we encountered with the string is this. Sometimes we use cin for our to get the data input in our program, no? So for example, say out, enter your name, so and line, then after that you cin, then name, and we will try to see out. Okay, your name is and line. Oh, sorry, I will use name. Okay, so the program will ask you to enter your name. So for example, I input my name, then when I enter, your name is John. What happened to Benhart? My I inputted I input John Benhart, but the program only capture John, not wala gilahos. Ka nakabalay naka tawag ani kasi naka-experience niyo before ana. Can you give me a feedback? Yes. So meaning ang sin has a limitation. The CIN, this one has a limitation. Meaning once the sin will detect there is an empty space, na I space, it will stop. So what happened when I enter John Benhart? So what happened is it only captures the John to put it on our name, and the Venhart is now being is gone. So how can we do that? How can we capture the entire everything? Because some of the user will input 2 words, 3 words, or many words in our program. So sa na to naron. Yes. So there is another way to do that is a get line. Okay? You are going to get all the lines that the user will input. It's very easy. We have the get line. Okay? Now get line here, after na explain on niya. So this is how we were going to do that. Get line, and the first parameter is the scene command, and the second parameter is the name, where you put the data that you will get. So this one solves our problem. When you run it, the same name, as you can see now, it's now being solved. Kaniya, dyan lang, for the use of the scene, na may limitation si scene, then we are use get line. So any questions in here? Can I have a feedback? Any question? Yes. Okay. Pwede na siya 3 words. It's because get line naman ni siya. For example, no? Another one, I run it. My complete name. How many words did I input? 4 words. Jan Benhar Torres Alejo. So now when I enter, it will, whatever you entered, it's also outputted by the use of the get line. Yeah. So, nakuha ra. Any question? Uduha na ka-get line imong gamiton? For what? For example, okay. Okay, we will, for example, another one, see out, no? Enter your age, right? Okay, and line. So, I will create int age here as our variable. So, right now, pwede na ito, get line, scene, age, right? That is the placeholder for the age. I will output it again. Your age is age, right? I just copy and paste, make it much more faster. So I run it. I sorry, I forgot to put semicolon. Okay, run. What happened? Hindi lagi mo run. Get line scene age. Okay, what is there? We will. Yes. We have a problem. It is because we are having int. Yes, I forgot. Get line is intended for string, no? So, can you mute the mic? Kasi mo naka-mute. Barang ma-explain na itong tarong. Okay, this is a very simple one but can make your brain much more complicated. There is no wrong with this one. But again, get line here is intended only for string data type. Now we have here age and we are storing it in the int data type. So that is not compatible. Why? Because age is int and getLine is string. You cannot store integer in the form of string. So di siya pwede. So pero og imo siyang string, for example, string age, that one, Pwede na nimo. Wala siya na error, di ba? I just change the data type. For example, my name. Yeah? Age, example, 15. So, it's output. Okay, nakuha ninyo tungod kay getLine is uh, is intended only for for string. Okay. Now, what I did here is correct in a way of we just solving the problem. Now, what if, no? What if the user will input a number to add? Okay raman ang age dire kay di man it is not used for calculation. It is used for outputting the data. Now, what happened if it will perform mathematical operations? Like for example, I will remove everything and for example, int num1, int num2, right? Then you output cout. uh, Hello. Oh, enter the first number. Then get line. Um, Scene num1 and cout. Um, just copy and paste. Make it much more faster. Second number and line. Okay, get line. Okay, so the output. So I will create a variable int answer is equal to num1 plus num2 cout the sum of the two number is okay and line. Okay, based on this qualification, the user will add a number, first number, second number, and we will compute it with the use of addition, and we will output the answer. Now, yes, sorry, num2. Okay, so right now, when you run it the program, there you have a problem because getLine the is only for string. Now, if we change it to string and to string, for us to solve the problem, para wala tayo error, do we really get the correct answer? So, ito itry ko, no? Niran siya, right? I input 50. Then, I will also add 50. So, what will be the answer? Ug mo run ang program, somebody, based on the code, hmm? Pero niran man. Oh, pero niran ang program. So, pero what will be the answer, ani? O kamoy computer, what will be their output? Niran man ang program. It is working. I enter a number 50, the first number. I enter second number 50. So it's function. Basically, it's okay right here. Now it's string. When I enter, it will process string. Answer is equal to num1 plus num2, and after it outputs. So what will be the answer if the okay 50-50? Okay, very good. It is 50-50. That is correct. The sum is 50-50. Okay, now this is okay. Please mute your mic. Okay. So why it is 50-50? It is because this arithmetic operator is no longer arithmetic, and this is also the this symbol has two function. Sometimes it is a arithmetic operator, and sometimes it is concatenation. Concatenation. So it is also the power of string to combine strings. So that means that is the process of concatenation, combining two strings or three or four or more than two or more than five strings. That is what the process of concatenation. Makaingon ka na, it is addition. No, this is not addition. This is concatenation. Why I really know that it is concatenation? It is because the variables, the data type for that variable is string. Once it is string, that is the process of concatenation. That so if ganahan kag arithmetic operators, you use int. Now, why we don't need to use getLine as an int? It is because ang numbers wala siya spaces. Mo din logic nato. So if that is numbers for gani guys, directly use sin num1. Okay? That is only the process for integer. Let us run it. Run. The same 50, 50, and the sum is 100. Kuha, any question? You see, the power of concatenation and the power of changing data types in your program really matters in programming. If plus sign, if you see integer, integer, that is arithmetic operator. No, no more concatenation. Pero makita ni mo string, string, that is the process of concatenation. If sin, you use sin directly if there is no separated words, only one word. Numbers, really, only one, wala spaces. So directly use this one. Numbers, double, float, can directly use sin. Pero if you were going to use string, use getLine. Always remember that. Any question? So meaning, delete AI. Si getLine is only for string. Yes. Get it? Any question? Kaya nga naman, kay si getLine, put, for example, I will, uh, si getLine, well, I will remove this string. I will try if there is an error. Okay. Yes. Because without the library for string, you cannot use getLine. So in order to use getLine, you have to include the string library. So that is why getLine is only intended for string. Copy? Any question? So how many input so og mag-input tag data sa C++, how many syntax do we need to consider? Pila man ka number to i-consider? pila ka syntax atong i-consider. So ato i-consider, wala nito bag, ato i-consider is input in Java, ani C++, input in C++, consider only scene, okay. But kinahan kang to use string, use getLine. Mura ganay gina-consider ninyo in C++. C++ scene or getLine. Okay? Then always also be vigilant with this operator because sometimes it is addition. Uh, addition if integer, double, float, but that is concatenation in string. So, mo na inyo ang gina always gi-prove. Sendra kay na. For example, like this one. C out. No? Yung kang 1 plus 2 end line. So, the result for this one is 3. It performs arithmetic operation. Sorry. Now, if someone will be inside with a double quotation, it's directly to become a string. So when I uh, enclose with double quotation the one and this two, like I see the color is blue. It will now turn to string. Now 1 plus 2, it will now perform concatenation. So the answer is okay. Wait, why? Yan na siya string. Ah, okay. It's not the same with Java. So ato na lang i-output. String output. So the answer will be what? 1 plus 1. Still the same. It will always include with it will include with variables. So mo rin ito ang kinahanglan. So ato ra na string the same thing atong gibuhat ganiha. Input 1 is equal to 1, input 2 is equal to 2. Sorry, so small. String output is equal to 1 plus, no sorry, input 1 plus input 2. So it will add, okay, so you can see 1, 2, no? As you can see, because the plus sign, it is now string, it is now being concatenate siya. Okay? Gets? Pwede gani siya, dili ra i-enclose gani siguro. Let me try. Always remember string will be enclosed with quotations. So question so far. Remember, I discussed already concatenation. Then there's also okay, recognize. Okay. Karon ani no? 12 siya mo output, dili siya mahimong 3. It is uh, this is yes. This process is what we call concatenation, joining two or more strings. Oh no, joining two or more strings. Meaning, input 1 is a string, input 2 is a string. This 1 and 2 is string, not integer. Now, concatenation is combining. Gi-combine lang siya nimo, gita. Meaning combining is, meaning mo ra siyang gitapot. So, input 1 is 1 and input 2 is 2. You just combine it and the answer is 1, 2. Not necessarily 12, but 1, 2 only. Lahi po siya, ani, input, int, okay. O, another input, 1, that is 1. Int, O, 2 is equal to 2. And then I will create um, int O, output 2 is equal to OINT 1 plus OINT. Okay. Just output here input 2. Right? So, kanin diring integer. This is now addition. Okay? For arithmetic. Okay? Ano arithmetic man siya? Because this is integer. Int man siya. Whole number man siya. Numbers man siya. It is also included with double boolean. Ano, double and float. So, right now, so 1, that is now 1 plus 2. Then the answer is 3. There is 1 combine input 2. Input 1 combine input 2. Ano combine man ang term? Because concatenation is string. There is 1 plus 1. 1 add 2. You get it? So, itong iran, lahi siya og result. Ang usa 12, so this is concatenation. No, there is a 12, 1, 2. This one is 3. Any question? Natubag ra na ako imong pangutana nganong 1, 2, dili siya 3. Because dili siya concatenation. Any question? So, iwalay question, can I proceed? Nakuha ra ninyo? Okay. Sige. So, next is, we can also know the length of the string. We can check it. So, ayon to sa string, we will concentrate with the string. Okay, so for example, I will use string alphabet. Okay. So, we will try to make it much more we call it dynamic. So, we will try to input, no? Input lang nato. Ask the user to input alphabet. So, see out, input any letter. Okay. Don't forget to use double as time. Okay. Okay, since this is string, we have to use getLine, sin, alphabet. Okay. So, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.